Hello and welcome to Academy Class. I'm Sharjil, your expert learning paths advisor here at Academy Class, and I'm here to help you get the best return on your training spend. At our academy, we go beyond just teaching the software. We foster a vibrant community on our online campus. Our team of experienced and authorized instructors lead our online classrooms, ensuring that you and your team stay engaged and motivated throughout the process. Our online campus is accessible 24/7, providing you with course notes, training records, and your course certificates, just like at a university, but without the commute. Plus, our online forum allows you to share ideas, connect with your video designers and tutors in a noise-free environment. We also offer fantastic corporate voucher discounts of up to 25%, and once you've made a booking with Academy Class, you automatically get 10% off of your next booking. If all this sounds amazing and you'd like to have a conversation with me, then book a 15-minute call with me today and let's grow together at Academy Class.